Hey guys, Tech Timmy here. So in this video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different again. This is another low-tech video. You guys seem to like a mix of sort of the low-tech product and high-tech product unboxing. So this is one of the more low-tech ones, but still one that is, I guess, near and dear to my heart. This is an American flag, aka Old Glory. And I'm going to just do a quick unboxing. And if you stay to the end of the video, I'll actually show you what it looks like outside on the pole. So stick around and we'll see what it looks like. But without further ado, let's take this bad boy out of the box. I feel like we should have some patriotic music going on or something here. So I'm at a little bit of a different setup table than my normal unboxings. So just have to bear with me. I've got to crouch down a little bit here. But I'm using my epic unboxing knife here, which now has its share of dings and dangs and everything else from all these unboxings that I've been doing. But this actually belonged, this was my parents' wedding, the knife that they used to cut their wedding cake, actually. So this is sort of special significance. And then, okay, so this flag I owned before, same exact model, same exact one. Although I feel like it was easier to get out of the box the last time, but we'll take it out. It's a big long box, so kind of a little tricky to do the unboxing, but I'm gonna take it out and just show you what's in the box anyway, to start with the package contents. So at the top, it looks like we have our hardware. Just see if I can pull that out for you. Pardon the jigginess here. Again, it's a tough box to get in the full box in the frame. So hopefully this at least will give you a little preview of what I feel is a very cool American flag. My last flag started to get tattered and torn. I've had it for about 2 years, and I live on the ocean here. So it got pretty beat up in 2 years, and I said, you know what? I can't have that. It's time for a new one. So I'm gonna either burn or bury my existing flag, which I guess is the proper protocol, and then we're gonna replace it with this one. So maybe I'll even do a before and after shot of what my old flag looks like, which I still have, and then the new one. So this is the mount, obviously, and it comes with the full set of mounting screws. I have a wood stake out on my deck here, so I was able to just mount it using the screws. It does make a little bit of a rattling sound, so I would say if you're proficient with a drill, you might just want to install those plastic doohickeys there. It might rattle a little bit less, but anyhow, for what it's worth. So there's the hardware. This is a great product. It comes with basically everything you need to get your flag going. And then, let me show you what it comes in a few different parts here. So we have Old Glory itself, apparently, of course. And then rubber bands off for good measure. Probably aren't going to be able to see the whole thing here, but like I said, if you stick around to the end, I'll actually show you what it looks like up on the pole. So this is a great size. It's not, well, maybe this will actually do it some justice. Not humongous, not too small. I'll actually put I'll describe what the size is and the dimensions in the description. But beautiful, brand new looking flag. And then of course, we just go. To do anything unpatriotic here, if I can help it. And then here's the pole, sturdy quality pole. It's got, it's wrapped in plastic, packaged up really nicely. A couple little of these, what do you call these, ties, some type of plastic ties, I guess. And then, so there's 2 of those. I'm gonna take the other one off here too for good measure. And then the poles will just slide out. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh, there's actually a staple at the bottom as well. So I'm going to just rip the plastic a little bit and try not to cut myself on the staple. And so here's the pole. And it's got a nice gold, sort of the traditional gold top, which is really cool. After it weathers, it actually looks a little bit more platinum or silverish or whatever, which is also cool. And I do like the weathered look. I can't have a tattered flag. And basically, this guy just screws right into here, and you may need to hold the spinner in place. So the flag does have a nice spin to it. So it spins around when it's on the pole, in the wind and so forth. But this is just a beautiful flag. And then I won't put you through the pain of showing you how I'm actually trying this, because it takes a little bit of finagling. But basically what you want to do is you want to get each hole hooked in to, there's 2 hooks. So this one here needs to, you basically want to push it down to, approximately the size of the flag. And then you screw that back in like that. And then, well, why don't we just attempt to try it here? Well, actually, no, because it does take a little bit of wrangling to get the flag itself in here in the proper way. And I don't want to rip it, so I'm gonna do that offline and be very careful. But you basically put the hook into the hoop on the top, and then the second one on the bottom here. The second, the hook again, hook into the hoop, and then you adjust this to sort of tighten it here like this to loosen, tighten to pull the flag taut. And then, yeah, so that's essentially it. So I'm actually going to go ahead and pause the video here, and I will show you what the flag looks like. Old Glory out on the post next. So if you got any value from this video, if you wouldn't just mind giving me a quick thumbs up, helps out the channel a lot, and consider subscribing to my channel. In addition to low-tech home products like this one, I do a ton of tech-related videos like smart home, Amazon ALEXA, and etc. So hopefully you got some value from this. I just wanted to show you my flag because really cool product, and like I said, this is I'm sort of a proud American here.